Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Osburn local and long-distance movers near me. Are you looking to find an experienced, trustworthy, and cheap Osburn moving company? You can rely on 3 Movers to meet your unique needs. We offer the best long-distance and local moving services to meet your exclusive requirements. Our professionals will plan your move perfectly and carry out all tasks with efficiency. We use the most advanced solutions to ensure the best moving experience for our customers. We provide all the right options for your long-distance move, including packing services. We will do the packing for you. You can relax and focus on other relevant aspects. Moving supplies. You don't have to source the moving supplies. We will provide everything you need to make your move a lot easier. An on-time move. Our approach is 100% systematic and goal-oriented. You can expect timely completion of all tasks with us. Upfront pricing. You can budget your move perfectly with us. We will let you know the exact price before taking up your project. Licensed and insured. As one of the best long-distance movers, we maintain a team of fully licensed and insured professionals. Relocating across the country or a few states over is a big deal. It's a huge move, and you have plenty to worry about. Let us handle the moving so you can worry about other things. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Osburn moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.